Fat-Burning HIIT Workout for Rapid Weight Loss, 20-minute intense cardio routine. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an incredible fat-burning workout designed to help you achieve rapid weight loss and boost your overall fitness. I'm Emmy, and I'm thrilled to be your guide through this intense 20-minute HIIT cardio routine. Pre-workout warm-up. Before we get into the high-intensity part of the workout, let's warm up those muscles and get our heart rates up. We'll start with some light jogging in place, followed by arm circles, leg swings, and a few dynamic stretches to prepare our bodies for the challenge ahead. Remember, warming up is crucial to prevent injuries and ensure a more effective workout. Main workout: high-intensity interval training, HIIT. Our HIIT workout consists of 4 rounds, each lasting 5 minutes. We'll perform each exercise for 45 seconds, followed by a 15-second rest. Get ready to push your limits and torch those calories. Round 1, jump squats, mountain climbers, burpees, high knees. Perform each exercise with maximum effort, pushing yourself through the burn. Remember to maintain proper form and engage your core throughout. Great job on the first round. Take a quick 30-second break to catch your breath before we dive into round 2. Jump lunges, push-ups, bicycle crunches, plank jacks. Awesome effort, everyone. Keep pushing through, and remember to modify any exercises if needed. It's all about progress, not perfection. Complete round 2, and take another 30-second break to recover before moving on to round 3. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on weight loss and workout. Round 3, power jacks, tricep dips, Russian twists, butt kicks. You're doing amazing. Stay focused and keep pushing through the fatigue. We're almost there. Thank you all for joining us in this fat-burning HIIT workout. Remember to stay consistent, challenge yourself, and pair this routine with a balanced diet to maximize your weight loss journey. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming workouts. Until next time, stay motivated and keep crushing those fitness goals. See you soon.